Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Bank of N.T. Butterfield and Sons Limited, called Butterfield, has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire CIBC's 91.7% interest in CIBC Caribbean Bank Limited. The total consideration to be paid for CIBC Caribbean will be comprised of US $1.091 billion in cash and $703 million in Butterfield shares. Michael Collins, Butterfield's chairman and chief executive officer, said, "Since Butterfield's 2016 listing on the New York Stock Exchange, we have successfully grown and enhanced profitability through bank and trust acquisitions. This deal combines two storied and complementary banks with significant local scale advantages and time-honored customer relationships in their respective core jurisdictions." For the trading period of May 28, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 12,713,990 units, representing 20.93% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,555,413 units, representing 12.44% of market sales activities. QWI Investments Limited with 6,171,193 units, representing 10.16% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in finance and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 28, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.65 and buying at $158.28. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 46-cent transaction spreads meant the Canadian dollar sold for $115.09 and was bought for $114.63. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.62 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.13 and was bought for $210.51. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, dual citizenship can open doors to multiple financial systems, but credit does not automatically transfer across borders. Building a strong credit profile starts with responsible use. Open accounts early, keep balances low, and pay on time. Credit is not just about access to money, it is about building financial credibility and long-term opportunity. For our funded and focused feature, you do not always need to invest alone to build wealth. Pooling resources with other investors can create access to property, businesses, and income-producing assets that may be out of reach individually. The right partnership can increase buying power, share risk, and accelerate portfolio growth. The key is simple: clear agreements, proper structure, and aligned goals. Sometimes building wealth is not about owning everything alone. It's about owning the right assets together. Have you considered pooled investing as a part of your portfolio strategy? And that's today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.